Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be welcoming you to an exciting world of algebra. But before we start diving into the depths of algebra, let's first understand the meaning of algebra. So, what is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses symbols, letters, and numbers to represent and solve real-life problems. Algebra is like a solving game where we use equations to find unknown values. Now, there are some basic concepts of algebra students need to learn while taking an algebra course. The first term we are going to be looking at today is a variable. So, what is a variable? So, what do you think a variable is? Well, a variable is simply letters that represent unknown values. Whenever we say variable, we are referring to letters which represent unknown values. For example, we can have letters like X, Y, and Z. And these letters may be representing different values in an expression. Now, the next term we are going to be looking at is a constant. So, what do you think a constant is? Whenever you hear the word constant, it means the same, unchanging. So a constant are fixed numbers in an equation, numbers that are fixed. For example, whenever we have numbers like -3, 5, or even the symbol pi, which stands for 22/7, they are all constants. Next, we are going to be looking at expressions. An expression is a combination of variables, constants, and operations. Operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. So, for example, examples of operations are, we can say 2x plus 5. As you can see in this expression, x is a variable, 2 and 5 are constants, and the plus sign is an operation. So this is an expression because an expression is a combination of variables, constants, and operations. Another example of an expression is 7y minus 8. As we can see, 7 and 8 are constants, y is a variable, and we can see an operation here, that is the subtraction sign. So therefore, this is an expression. Now, I want you to tell me whether this is an expression. Please feel free to pause the video and think about whether this is an expression. This cannot be an expression because although there are two constants, 7 and 9, and there's an operation here that is a negative sign, there is no variable or there is no letter or unknown letter, so this cannot be an expression. But this and this are good examples of an expression. Now, the next thing I want to be talking about is an equation. We will be talking about equations a lot in algebra. So, what is an equation? Now, looking at the first three letters of this word equation, the first three words here is the same thing as saying equal. So an equation shows a balance between two expressions separated by an equals to sign. Now, let me show you what I mean by that. Two expressions separated by an equals to sign. My first expression can be 9x minus 10 is equal to 3v minus 5. So this is an equation because we can see two expressions here, 9x minus 10 and 3v minus 5. And you can see that it is separated by an equals to sign. So this is a good example of an equation. This equation example seems complex. There are simpler examples of equation like 2x plus 8 is equal to 6. This is also a very simple example of an equation. Now, there are many more examples of equations which we will dive into as we go further into the heart of algebra. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel if this video was very helpful, and turn on your notification bell if you would like to be notified whenever I release a new video.